doing? Hi. Where's that toy? Where's that toy? Come on, there's a treat in there. Get that treat. Oh, get those cheese treats.
Oh, yum.
Hi, Amy. Hi there. Hello. Are you all fluffed up and pretty? Oh, you are. Yes, you are. Get that. Oh, yes. Get it. Did you find them all?
Oh, yum.
Yum, yum.
I bet Jenna would show you how to get that yummy out of that ball. But she might growl at you too. Oh, don't jump. You get a nowie.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Don't do that. No, 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 no.
Oh, you're so cute all fluffed up. Look at you. Look at that little fur ball.
Hi. Hi. Hello there, honey. Oh, don't jump. Go get it. Come on.
Uh-oh. Here, get those treats. Oh, yum. What's he got, Trink?
Huh? What does he have? Hi, Tinky. What's that baby got? Who's that baby got? That good? Oh, that good? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. Is that good, honey? They're gone. You ate them all.
Yum.